Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to log in into library and how to check details. So first of all, come to this website gcetmis.org.in and hit the enter button. So in here you have to click on this portal button, and in here you have to come on this module library. So here you have to provide your ID, your username and your password. So I'm switching from this web server to localhost to show you a demonstration how it looks like. So I will provide my credentials here. I will log in as student. The interface inside this module is same for all. So I will log in as student. I will enter my credentials. My ID is this 175/15. My username is and my password is, I'm typing my password. Then check this box, remember me, and click on login. So you can see here, this is the home page of library management system. Welcome to GCET library. Here are quotations displayed. Sorry. Check out the mostly issued books here. The top 10 books will be displayed here, which are mostly issued, frequently issued in the library. Those will be displayed here. And in this search books tab, click on this. You can search a book by an accession number, and you can check the availability of that book, like accession number 943. I will submit it. The book details are here. Accession number is this, department, title and author and publisher. Now you can check the availability of book. If you know the accession number of some book, then you can check the availability of that very book, whether that book is issued to someone or not. So click on check. You can see book available. You can issue this book. So this book is currently not issued to anyone, so you can go and you can take this book from the library. There are other search options, like search by book name, search by author name, search by department, search by publisher. Here are all the authors which are available in our database, and these are departments and publisher. Click on submit. You can check this box. You can make any valid search here, like you can enter the book name and select the author also, and click on the submit. The books in which name as you have typed here and the author you have selected are same, those books will be displayed. Other books will not be displayed. So in here, like I'm selecting my department civil, and author is anyone you can take from this, like for example I'm doing this. All books for department civil and author list will be displayed in the list. You can see how many books are present in our database for this author of civil department. So this was all about the search books and the library details. Here the books currently issued to you. If you click on this button, you will see the total number of books issued to you will be displayed here, and book issue return history from the first semester, how many books you have issued, on what date you have issued them, and lot of things will be displayed. The whole history will be displayed in the table here. But currently for this user there are no books issued. That's why it is showing total number of entries 0. And for book history, actually the database is empty, so that is why it is showing this. This was all about library module. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.